The Ravlot Satyagraha. Next, in 1990, Gandhiji gave a call for Satyagraha against the Ravlot Act that the British had just passed. Next, the Act curbed fundamental rights such as the freedom of expressions and strengthened police power. Mahatma Gandhi, Mohan Ali Janab, and others felt that the government had no right to restrict people's basic freedoms. Next, they criticized the act as devilish and tyrannical. Gandhiji asked the Indian people to observe 6 April 1990 as a day of non-violent opposition to this act, as a day of humiliations and prayer, and hurtle strike satyagrah sabhas were set up to launch the movement. Next, the Ravlot Satyagraha turned out to be the first all India struggle against the British government, although it was largely restricted to cities in April 1990. There were a number of demonstrations and the hurdle in the country, and government used brutal measures to support this. Next, the Jallianwala Bagh inflicted by the General Dyer in Amritsar on Bhag Day 13 April were a part of the representations on the learning about the messages. Tagore then expressed the pain and again anger to the country of renouncing his kinghood. Next, during the Ravlot Satyagraha, the participants tried to ensure that Hindu and Muslim were united in the fight against British rule. This was also the call of Mahatma Gandhi, who always saw India as a land of all the people who lived in the country, Hindus, Muslims, and those of other religions. He was keen that Hindus and Muslims support each other in any just cause. Next, the Khalifa issue was one such cause. In 1920, the British imposed a harsh treaty on the Turkish Sultan or Khalifa. People were furious about this as the had been about the Jallianwala messengers. Also, Indian Muslims were keen that the Khalifa and allowed the return control our Muslim sacred place in the erstwhile Ottoman Empire. Next, the leaders of the Khalifa agitation, Muhammad Ali and other Ali, now wished to instant a full fledged non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji supported their call and urged the Congress of Compassion against Punjab wrongs. Jallianwala, the Khalifa, and other wrong and demand Swaraj. Next, the non-cooperation movement gained momentum through 1921-22, thousands of students left government-controlled schools and colleges. Many leaders such as Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, C. Chatterjee, and Asaf Ali gave up their practices. British titles were stranded and legislations boycotted. People light public bonfires of foreign clothes. Next, the imports of foreign cloth fell drastically between 1920 and 1922, but all this was merely the up of the iceberg. Large parts of the country were on the brink formidable revolt. Next, people initiatives. Next, in many cases, people resisted British rule non-violently. In other different classes and groups interpreting Gandhiji call in their own manner protested in ways that were not in accordance with his ideas in either case. People linked their movements to local grievances. Let us look at a few examples. Next, in Kheda, Gujarat, Patidar and Patel presents organized non-violent campaigns against the highland revenue demand of the British in coastal Andhra and interior Tamil Nadu. Liquor shops were picked in the Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. Tribal and poor peasants stage and number or forest satyagraha, sometimes sending their cattle into forest without paying grazing fee. They were protesting because she colonial state had restricted their use of forest resources in various ways. Next, they believed that Gandhiji would get their taxes reduced and have the forest regulation abolished, and any forest villagers, peasants proclaimed Swaraj and believed that Gandhiji Raj was about to be established. Next in Sindh, now a Pakistan, Muslim traders and peasants were very about the Caliphate call in Bengal. The Caliphate non-cooperation alliance gave communal unity and the strength to the national movement in Punjab. The Akali agitation of the Sikhs sought to remove Crap Mahant, supported by the British from the Gurudwaras. This movement got closely identified with the non-cooperation movement. Assam Tea Garden Laborious Gandhi Maharaj that demanded a big increase in these wages. They left the British owned plantations amid declarations that they were following Gandhiji's wish. In the Assam's Western songs and the period and the reference of the Krishna was submitted by the Gandhi Raja.